I'm Sam Clark with Crimson Education, and we're here at University College London, or UCL, to ask some big questions. In front of this big building. All right, what is the best thing about UCL?
It's definitely, the location, it's in London, and because of that it's so diverse. So we're talking about students, teachers, just even going out to walking out onto the street, you can meet all sorts of people. It's great. That's probably and the education's great as well.
It's really nice. You have access to everything other than studying, which is kind of a relief from stress, I guess.
Best thing about UCL is the architecture. That building is absolutely beautiful.
It's really nice. Yeah.
You can come here, eat your lunch, dinner at night, or even
on the stoops.
It's pretty cool.
What is the best thing about UCL?
It's in London.
That's a good answer. What's the worst thing about UCL?
It's in London.
Fair enough.
It's quite big. I do get lost.
There's a lot of lectures. We have 30 contact hours a week, so it's quite a lot.
I think it's the library, because you have to go to several libraries to get the readings, and especially I have a literature base and I'm doing sociology at the moment. You need a lot of books, the hard copies, and you have to go around Stanton House, the main science library, IOE. Yeah, I think you have to have some kind of thing assemble everything in one place and get it at one go.
And what do you tend to do on weekends here?
There's so many options you could do. I personally like to cook me and my flatmates a Sunday roast.
Well, usually because going out is quite expensive on weekends, I just study. The main social aspects of the week happen during the day, Monday through Friday. So weekends are usually just resting and doing work that you have done during the week.
I'm involved in quite a lot of sport with the Law Society. I do rugby and football.
Last weekend I went to Rome.
Oh, that's great.
Yep, so get away if I don't have study to do.
I love to hang out with my flatmates. They are amazing, and last night we went to go for some reggaeton dancing because we all like Latin American music. So yeah, London has tons to offer. You can get whatever you look for.
And what did you write your application essays about?
So I'm doing a course on cancer. I wrote about it being a doctor in Australia working in cancer and the research opportunities at UCL.
Gender differences with respect to entrepreneurial tendencies. So how do men and women or guys and girls differ in personality and motivation when it comes to founding their own businesses?
My path towards coming to realizing that computer science is for me, and I wrote mainly about some past achievement in the computer science Olympiad. I don't say it's the best essay, but this is how I was thinking at that time. Yes, that's true.
Anything to add?
I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go for lunch.
Okay, go get food.
Hello, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
You're
our last interview of the day, so anything to add?
Have a good day.
If you like this video and want to learn more about top colleges around the world, please subscribe. Do it.